Living in Tampa means enjoying sunshine year-round, but it also means facing high humidity and long, hot summers that can drive up energy costs. One of the most effective ways to keep your home comfortable while lowering utility bills is by installing energy-efficient replacement windows. These advanced windows are designed to reduce heat transfer, improve insulation, and make your home more sustainable. Here's how they can make a significant difference in both comfort and savings. Improved insulation for year-round comfort. Traditional windows often let cool air escape and allow warm air to enter, forcing your air conditioner to work harder. Energy-efficient windows are built with low emissivity, low-E glass coatings, multi-pane designs, and insulated frames that help maintain indoor temperature stability. In Tampa's subtropical climate, this means your home stays cooler during the hot months and warmer during the brief winter season. The result? You'll rely less on constant air conditioning, reducing energy consumption and monthly bills without sacrificing comfort. Reduced cooling costs with solar control. The Florida sun can be relentless, and standard glass lets in a lot of radiant heat. Energy-efficient replacement windows combat this through solar heat gain reduction. Low-E coatings reflect infrared light, keeping heat from entering your home while still allowing natural sunlight to brighten your space. This technology is especially beneficial for south and west-facing windows, which receive the most direct sunlight. By minimizing heat gain, these windows reduce the load on your HVAC system, cutting energy costs by up to 25% annually, depending on your home's size and insulation. Lower energy bills and long-term savings. While energy-efficient windows may have a higher upfront cost, they quickly pay for themselves through lower utility bills. Homeowners in Tampa often see savings within the first year of installation. According to energy studies, replacing single-pane windows with Energy Star certified ones can save between $125 and $340 per year on energy bills. Over time, these savings add up, offsetting the initial investment. Additionally, the improved efficiency can extend the lifespan of your HVAC system, as it no longer has to work as hard to regulate indoor temperatures. Protection against Tampa's weather extremes. Tampa is no stranger to heavy rains, strong winds, and occasional hurricanes. Modern energy-efficient windows often come with impact-resistant glass and airtight seals, offering both energy performance and enhanced safety. These windows prevent drafts, leaks, and moisture intrusion, protecting your interior from water damage and mold growth. The durable construction also improves sound insulation, keeping out traffic and neighborhood noise, a welcome bonus for urban areas like South Tampa or Ybor City. Increased home value and curb appeal. Investing in energy-efficient replacement windows doesn't just save money, it also boosts property value. Buyers in the Tampa Bay area are increasingly drawn to homes with eco-friendly features that promise lower operating costs. Beyond function, today's energy-efficient windows come in stylish designs, from sleek vinyl frames to custom colors, enhancing curb appeal while aligning with modern architectural trends. Whether you're upgrading a historic bungalow in Seminole Heights or a contemporary home in West Chase, these windows elevate your property's appearance and marketability. Taking advantage of energy incentives. Homeowners can often benefit from local and federal energy incentives. Many energy-efficient window installations qualify for tax credits or rebates, further reducing the total cost of upgrading. Tampa Electric, TECO, and other utility providers occasionally offer rebates for window improvements that meet energy efficiency standards. These programs encourage homeowners to make eco-friendly upgrades while reducing their financial burden, an ideal win-win for Tampa residents looking to lower costs and carbon footprints. Conclusion: a smart investment for Tampa homeowners. Switching to energy-efficient replacement windows is one of the smartest home improvements you can make in Tampa. They lower your energy bills, improve comfort, protect against the elements, and add lasting value to your property. Whether you're renovating your home or simply looking to reduce monthly expenses, upgrading your windows ensures you enjoy a cooler, quieter, and more energy-efficient living space, all while keeping more money in your pocket each month.